What's up, Royal Family? It's your girl Leslie, and I'm back once again with another video. About to get hit. So we're at Fallas. We didn't even know that they were open. You guys been open the whole pandemic?
No, we just opened I think Saturday.
Saturday?
This is my first day here. So.
Oh, okay. Congratulations, girl. Okay, so Fallas opened back up on Saturday. I'm so excited because it is about to be summer and I won't have to order online. Ooh, my son would love these. Look, come on in King James. $10.99. What the heck? Good quality material. So, yeah, they got a lot of things here, Royal Family. I'm just like, what? So, it's a lot of music. Probably doing a voiceover. They got some sweat fits, which would be cool to get these now and have them for the winter. That's what I've been learning. They got a lot of men pajama pants. House shoes. What's this big old bucket? Socks in here. Huh, babe? You said some, ooh. Yes, we coming back. Maybe Friday. What's them shoes, babe? They're starting to get designer shoes here. These is clean. What's up? 8.5. This is come on size. Oh my God, I feel like hiding them. I am gonna hide these. Huh? Oh. Yeah, he would. They got 11s too. They got an 8. Huh? Oh, over there by the scrubs. Yeah, I'm vlogging. How much? $7.99. Yeah, we need to come back and have it ready and just buy them and store them. They ain't got your size house shoes though. All right, so we came here to look for masks. So the towels here are $5.99. We really need dry towels, so we're gonna come back and get those. All right. They got baby stuff, baby blankets, baby clothes. The baby sets, zoom in, are $7.99. Oh, they got glasses. We gonna need one of these. $7.99 for a 4-piece glass set. And these some nice size glasses. They probably shatter easily. Probably get these. So it'd be like vision. Oh, they got a 10-piece. How much is that? The price. I say 7-piece. See no prices. None. That's weird. $9.99? Oh, okay. Well, we'll be getting the 10-piece. They got cereal bowls. The cereal bowls are $2.99 for 4. 4 cereal bowls, $2.99 for 4 bowls. Oh, here go the scrub. You think I can work in scrubs? Or is it too thin? $3.99. I'll find out on orientation. Yeah, dark color jeans. So if not, I can get these black scrubs, all the black ones, black and green. Yeah, the black and pink. Get all the scrub bottoms. So I was thinking the mask would be in here. Ladies underwear, $3.99. I'm gonna get a pack of these right now. Extra large, what size? It is. What is this? I don't want to work in no tights. I'm not working in nobody tights. Well, I guess I could ask at the front desk. Clearance on coats for kids. So we could get winter coats for $7. If I wait till winter, it'll be like $20 for the same coat. Huh? And the sweatsuits. $3.99. So definitely coming back. How much these boots? $12.99. Huh? Let's see how much these jeans are. Oh, they got heck of jeans. So I probably wouldn't be able to work in ripped jeans though. So it'd probably have to be like some of these straight leg jeans. And the straight leg jeans, $7.99. $7.99 for the unripped jeans. And these are, what's the price on these? The price on these, $10.99 on these right here. And then these black ones, $12.99. So they do have some non-ripped jeans. So business casual jeans, size 16. This is the perfect one for me, which gives me room, plenty of stretch room. I don't want nobody looking at my butt, okay? Because I'm married. $10.99. So they got a lot of straight leg, unripped jeans. $10.99, $9.99, $12.99. I've been wanting sweatsuits for the longest. How much? $12.99 sweatsuit fit. I would do burgundy and brown. They put the lights out on us. What happened? Let's go. Huh? Ooh. $1.99. What size is that? Okay. Yeah, around the house. $1.99. They're extra large. Some stretch pants. Yeah. Just get one.
You got tongs in your pocket on?
Huh?
You got some tongs?
Oh, I guess so. I gotta get out the car real quick. Huh? Alright, Royal Family. So we are inside of Walmart. Yes, and we can't find any face masks anywhere at all. So when in doubt, create. So what we're going to do is make some face masks because they're mandatory and we need them. And I'm going to show you how we make it to help someone else who may be in need of a mask and can't find any and need them in a short period. So hubby and I are going to collaborate, and we're going to pick out some black fabric and try to do what it do, baby. Please don't tell me this is the only fabric that they have. Damn. So I don't think we're gonna find black fabric. Oh wait. Wait. Oh, this is too sheer, love. Unless we do a reversible one and put this on top of the flower to cover the flower. But no black, and that's not the right material. That ain't gonna work. What about this, babe? Look at this one. Huh? It feel better than the other ones. Too thin? Ugh. It's too scratchy. We could double it though. Alright, the flower one? Oh yeah. Yeah, babe. Yeah, that. Ooh, let me see. Yeah, I need it thick. Okay, so we're gonna use this. Okay. I'm not recording you, just the fabric.
No.
Okay. So this is getting cut a half of yard, and we're grabbing a sewing kit. Oh, that was $1. That was cheaper then.
Yeah, that's $1.
Okay, let's get the $1 sewing kit. We found a sewing kit for $1. Yeah, but that's $1.47.
You need a measuring tape?
No, I don't need measuring tape. All right. We're going to keep the one for $147 because it has way more thread. So pay attention to that when you're value shopping. We got scrunchies. We're going to use the scrunchies for the ears. They don't have elastic. And yeah. All right, Royal family. So we're at home chilling, enjoying time with one another. And we're making some masks because I am starting work tomorrow. So I'm making a face mask. We just simply bought some materials from Walmart and we're following a YouTube video. I'll be sure to put that video down below in the comment section. I really didn't want to do an instructional video because we simply followed along on YouTube and made these masks. Please, by all means, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already. I want to thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for spending time with our family. So we're sending you blessings and hope that you have a beautiful day today. I would also be sharing what I cooked for dinner tonight. Yes, tonight. Royal family, so be sure to smack thumbs up, please. Give us your love and support. I would appreciate that. Here is a clip of what we had for dinner. I love you guys so much, and guess what, Royal family? I'll talk to you later. Bye, Royal family. Peace. Say peace, Juju. Say peace. Say bye-bye. All right, Juju, say peace. Peace. Say peace. Peace. Say love you.